I predict when I put the company together, I predicted $50 silver. It happened. It took 10 years to do it, but it hit there. But I didn't predict that silver would drop all the way down to 12. And stay between 12 and 15 for a couple of years. And that was very difficult. We had to lay off a number of people and curtail exploration, curtail development, and we had to sell a couple of mines and lower profitable mines. So it was a challenging environment. Now we're back over 30. Today's a great day. I'm sure you're watching gold and silver today.
A little bit.
Yeah, so we're having a great day in the market today. But look, I'm a bull on silver, and I always have been. You know me. I came up with the phrase of triple-digit silver years ago.
With his prescient market predictions, Keith Neumeyer, founder and CEO of First Majestic Silver, established himself as a critical figure in the silver industry, despite market volatility. Neumeyer's $50 silver forecast came true within a decade of founding First Majestic Silver. The company faced challenges when silver prices dropped to $12 to $15, leading to layoffs, reduced exploration, and the sale of underperforming assets. Current market dynamics show renewed strength, with silver trading at $36.60 per troy ounce, representing a 1.29% daily increase and an impressive 28.85% year-to-date gain in 2024. This performance echoes the 2011 rally when prices approached $50, suggesting potential for similar peaks amid economic uncertainty. Investment products like the American Silver Eagle traditionally gain prominence during economic and geopolitical instability. Silver's prospects have brightened considerably, despite historical headwinds from subdued industrial demand and investor sentiment. The ongoing energy transition and anticipated global economic recovery position the metal for a potential breakthrough beyond the $50 mark. The Silver Institute's research supports this outlook, highlighting increasing industrial applications, particularly in next-generation photovoltaic panels. Looking ahead, Neumeyer's 5 to 10-year projection envisions silver potentially reaching triple-digit prices, supported by the Silver Institute's forecast of persistent supply deficits and escalating demand from green technologies. This optimism is grounded in silver's historical price behavior, exemplified by its rapid ascent from $30 to $50 within 10 weeks. The combination of growing industrial demand, supply constraints, and silver's strategic importance in emerging technologies strengthens the case for sustained price appreciation. The evolving market dynamics suggest Neumeyer's long-term investment strategy aligns well with fundamental shifts in silver demand patterns. As industrial applications expand and supply remains constrained, the potential for significant price appreciation appears increasingly plausible, potentially benefiting investors and industry stakeholders in the coming years. Before diving deep into this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, please share this video with your friends and anyone who may benefit from it.
I predict when I put the company together, I predicted $50 silver. It happened. It took 10 years to do it, but it hit there. But I didn't predict that silver would drop all the way down to 12. And stay between 12 and 15 for a couple of years. And that was very difficult. We had to lay off a number of people and curtail exploration, curtail development, and we had to sell a couple of mines and lower profitable mines. So it was a challenging environment. Now we're back over 30. Today's a great day. I'm sure you're watching gold and silver today.
A little bit.
Yeah, so we're having a great day in the market today. But look, I'm a bull on silver, and I always have been. You know me. I came up with the phrase a fairly resistant level. If you look at the chart over the last 20 years, it's only hit $30 3 times in our lifetime, actually. So you go back, even longer than that. So it is a bit of a psychological resistance level. So if once it does break out, I think it's going to be pretty amazing move after that. But it's got to consolidate. It's got to jump around a little bit. And seeing gold pop through 2,700 today, and silver now strongly above 31. Maybe this move will start to start again. But we're going to year end. We're going into Christmas, and generally December's not normally
seasonally weaker.
Seasonally weaker. So, but January, February, March could be very strong months. But we didn't buy Gatos because we think silver's going to move tomorrow. I can't really think like that. I have to look at the long-term health of the business. So when we're doing M&A, we got to look out 5 to 10 years, and what does the business look like? And if we're lucky, and then silver goes to $50 or triple digits, as I'm suggesting it may, then all of a sudden, it becomes great for our shareholders. I've been selling silver for a long time. The silver story. Silver is always looked at as, or not always, but predominantly looked at as the poor man's gold. And I'm always saying, no, it's not gold. Gold is money. Silver is a strategic metal necessary for everything that we need to do as a human race. So we want to go green. We want to create computers and then create nuclear plants and electric cars and all the things that we're trying to do to clean up our electrical grid throughout the planet, and even supply energy and electricity to parts of the globe that currently don't have electricity. Well, in 2024, we'll be at 43% silver, 57% gold, and that's all Doric. That's over our 3 core assets, our 3 operating mines. Adding Los Gatos, that'll take us to 51% silver, 35% gold, and the rest in lead and zinc. So we'll then become a concentrate producer. But there's terms already in place with a Japanese outfit called Dowa. They take the zinc concentrate, and then the lead con usually goes to either Glencore or Trafigura. And so it's great relationships, super high quality concentrate, so it's very much sought after. So the terms they get with the smelters is very good. If you look at our last news release on our financial statements, we held over 770,000 ounces of silver we held over the quarter. So most of that silver sits in our mint. So we have a large minting facility in Nevada, which we just opened up in March of this year. So we have to have inventory there, of course, to supply. But it's great because a lot of that inventory is $20 silver, $23, $25 silver. So the profits on that metal sitting on our floor is quite nice. And the value of that metal is around $25 million, and it's not treated as cash, but it's treated as a part of our inventory.
According to market expert Keith Neumeyer, the global silver market faces a significant supply-demand imbalance, with only 1.2 billion ounces of silver available worldwide, roughly equivalent to 1 year's global consumption. The metal's scarcity poses challenges for its adoption as currency in practical applications. Despite these constraints, global silver demand is projected to reach 1.2 billion ounces in 2024, marking the second highest level in history. The robust demand is primarily driven by industrial consumption, with silver playing a crucial role in various sectors, including automotive manufacturing, solar panel production, jewelry, and electronics. Neumeyer emphasizes the severity of supply deficits, which range from 300 to 400 million ounces annually. This substantial shortfall and growing recognition of silver's strategic importance suggest potential upward pressure on prices. The Silver Institute's 2024 World Silver Survey further highlights this tightening market. The report projects a 177% increase in the silver deficit, reaching 25.3 million troy ounces in 2024. This widening gap is attributed to a 2% rise in demand, particularly from industrial sectors, while supply simultaneously contracts by 1%. Let's get back to the video.
It was a couple years ago when silver was down at like $14. I think it was in June of maybe it was 2017 or 2018, I forget. But I was at a meeting with a whole group of the CEOs, and I said, why don't we just say in June we're going to hold back all our silver?
Keith Neumeyer, CEO of First Majestic Silver, reflects on his $50 silver prediction, challenges faced during price declines, and the current market resurgence with silver trading above $30. He emphasizes silver's critical role in industrial applications like solar panels, electronics, and green energy, predicting long-term price growth due to persistent supply deficits and increasing demand. Neumeyer suggests silver could reach triple digits, bolstered by strategic industrial uses and constrained supply, making it a valuable investment amid global economic shifts.